Scoring above 300 in JAMB requires discipline, smart preparation, and consistent evaluation, not mere hard reading. This lesson presents practical steps candidates can follow to strengthen understanding, master exam techniques, and build confidence necessary for outstanding performance on examination day across all subjects nationwide annually for competitive university admission success. Step-by-step guide. 1. Set clear goals, define target score, preferred course, and universities to guide study decisions effectively. 2. Know the syllabus, study official JAMB syllabus thoroughly to focus preparation only on examinable topics. 3. Create study timetable, allocate balanced study hours for subjects, revision, and weekly progress assessments consistently. 4. Use recommended textbooks, read trusted textbooks and materials aligned with examination standards for deeper comprehension. 5. Practice past questions, solve past questions to understand patterns, improve speed, and minimize examination mistakes. 6. Take mock tests, participate in computer-based mock exams to build confidence and time management skills. 7. Strengthen weak areas, identify difficult topics and seek teachers' guidance or tutorials for quick improvement. 8. Develop exam strategies, learn question selection, accurate guessing techniques, and smart navigation across computer screens. 9. Maintain healthy routine, sleep well, eat properly, exercise moderately, and avoid distractions during preparation periods. 10. Revise consistently, review notes regularly, summarize key formulas, and practice important concepts before examination confidently. In conclusion, scoring 300 or more in JAMB is achievable when preparation becomes structured, focused, and persistent. Following these steps diligently improves mastery, confidence, and accuracy. Stay disciplined, monitor progress, and believe in your ability to excel, ensuring admission opportunities into competitive institutions become realistic goals.